Banyak kun Pyrshah ya ka jingkan rei haka jingkerni haka Jingdih Drok haka ni ka job ka office jang Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills rengkat bat ka seng kinong nya Thuk the Ultimate Legend Bikers Association of Meghalaya tulba kila penlong ya ka jingyat Kynhun ki Thuk menta ka singi ka aphoi tarik ujelio hanong ba Shillong ban penken ma ki pat ba ka Jingdih Drok kalong ka jing penjat gara dia ya ka yeng kasam bat ya ka jat ban riu hi barok ka we kani ka jingyat Kynhun ki Thuk menta ka singi kalong shi benta na ka jing rakhi ka singi bakerpang banya le Pyrshah ya ka jingken rai ka Jingdih Drok ka balabu da ka United Nations banlong ha ka arphun riu tarik mentau benai ka jing thmu jo kani ka jing shim benta ka tulba kalong ban rap ding khong ye ki Drok ban penslur ya ka mensim ba shinrang ha ki samla ban ong am ya udrok ha ka jo ka por ban penlong ya kani ka pateng ka ba khuit ba suba bat ka balat na ka nu ka jing sniu ha ka imlang salang lakawe ya kalama sedang syuabanyat Kynhun ki Thuk dau ba Sylvester nong tenger SP East Khasi Hills haka jingdon lang ki padba ki pulit pat ki dekhot ka tulba
say no to drugs and create awareness and help those people who are already indulged in those activities so that there are many rehabilitation centers in Shillong and all the across the Meghalaya, and whatever the counseling they needed, they should go to the respective department. They should help the police, and whatever the help needed, it will be provided by the district admission, police, social welfare department, and by all the concerned department. But
they requested from the Tulba that they would like to say something again because they are some of the. Thank you, SP Traffic. Thank you, Sai Yan Swear, and all the official of the traffic branch. But cái chính thu trong cái này cái long cũng nu ban khang Pyrshah ya kecing penan kam bakla yo Drok but ban te lakam ya kata kajing shalan bian yo Drok ban ngangit kam bagani kam Shillong tang karong phong ne ban pendep ya program ndai kan dan ru kajing mun ban rak tik hong na do tolong ya kajing sniu ko ba minu Drok ngong bau Drok udai nong shun bakrau tam ya ki em lang salang upen chot ya ki ying ki long ying long sem upen kala nong tu ya ki na balului tang ban yo thi Drok bangong hosiar pai ba na ka jingma jong Drok ban nginong bangim dei bu ngilong bra hu Drok namar haba filama di Drok himla lai ngaju yi khna anda kilama di Drok kilas dang man kerni anda la kerni kwa malasi komta don kam pisa kim hun chu tang ka pisa bayo na tumi ndai kisang maluti balito na kitliwing pat poiru ban chakem hakashnong hakipulit yo ka blak remang kata ka jingpuli kata ka yo kam yo jam om tang ta ka ba so sanai ba sang sot de kata saka shong kha shong man na ka jingpang ka ba mi no Drok jongi ka long ka bedum namar baleo kiong bangi don nong di Drok kam don chu ka jing su kam don chu ka jing kemen kiong ni khap sna ki jing chang man ki tliu ka ki man ki kamera te om tang ta nyem dei man kan doi wei wei hendrai man ta pan haka ba man ta ngi don kam ka jing trai lang jong ki mi ka jong ka shnong ka thau jong ki seng halang jong ka balang jong ka police department bat ka sarkar la da ngi trai lang ban ngi ngi scam ba ngi sala ban pendu jan yo Drok na ka jela jong ngi khlei chibun khlei chajan the ultimate legend Biker Association, I thank them. Of course, we have arranged from our department, from the police, from the East Khasi Hill Police, in collaboration with the Tulba, to remind all the citizens, the people of Shillong, that drugs is not good and say no to drugs. We would not like our youth to fall prey to the drugs abuse, because drugs doesn't only affect the person concerned, it does affect the family, affect the neighbor and the society as a whole.